Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 37 Sonny Drive, located in Cumberland, Rhode Island. This is a beautifully renovated, updated, 2-floor, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, single-family home with a large backyard, repolished hardwoods, fresh paint, and much more. We're going to begin our walkthrough here by checking out the front yard. Beautiful shrubbery, a large open front yard here. Nice, quiet residential neighborhood here on Sonny Drive. Also going to check out the driveway. Up to 3 to 4 cars in this driveway. Of course, you also have the one attached garage spot as well, so plenty of parking offered with this single family home. Excellent. So we're going to begin our walkthrough by entering through the front door. This leads straight to your main foyer area, and it leads to the upstairs and downstairs. We'll first check out the upstairs, which houses your living room, dining room, kitchen, bedrooms, and bathrooms. So welcome. So upon entering, we'll start with the upstairs, which leads straight into the living room. Beautiful repolished hardwoods throughout most of this upper level, besides the bathrooms and the kitchen. This repolished hardwood looks awesome. Fresh paint throughout the entire home as well. Living area house about 5 to 6 outlets. Perfect wide open space for all kinds of furniture setups. You got a decorative fireplace in here. Wide open windows, lots of sunshine and street views available. This location's also pretty ideal. You're close by to the elementary school and high school nearby. So this is a perfect family setting here. But large open living room connected into your dining space right here. Again, repolished hardwoods, fresh paint, leads to the glass sliding door, which then leads to your deck and to your backyard. This dining room should be able to fit a, I would say, small to medium-sized dining set, should fit perfectly. Which then wraps around here to the kitchen. Completely renovated kitchen here with a brand new vinyl wood flooring, all new cabinetry, all new appliances, completely done up from top to bottom. Of course, the appliances in here include the stainless steel 4-burner stove and oven, single bin stainless steel sink, the dishwasher, and large size refrigerator. Again, all brand new. This is a completely redone kitchen. We'll go ahead and check out through the glass sliding door quick, just to give you a view of the backyard. So of course you have the deck out here, perfect for a couple lawn chairs and a grill. Large backyard, large wide open backyard. Perfect for a nice open space to be used. You also have an additional shed off to your right side for some extra storage. Very ideal backyard here with this single family home. Awesome, but back into the house, we'll start by checking out now the 3 bedrooms and the bathrooms. Again, all on this upper level. So, right through this hallway are all the bedrooms and bathrooms. We'll start with the first bedroom you see on the right side. Beautiful hardwoods once again, all present in each and every bedroom. Fresh paint. All bedrooms house their own closet spaces. This first bedroom is perfect for a standard full XL bed set. I do think you could also fit a queen in here if that's what you're looking for. I personally just think this is a perfect fit for a standard full XL bed set. Next up is the second bedroom on the right side, located towards the end of the hallway. Again, beautifully repolished hardwoods, fresh paint, wide open windows, a good sized closet. Perfect again for a standard full XL bed set. Again, you could put a queen in here. I just think it's a perfect fit for a standard full XL, but queen can fit as well. And the bedroom to the left here, the final bedroom, is your master bedroom. Again, beautiful hardwoods, fresh paint, wide open, bright windows. This bedroom could fit any size bed set. King, queen, whatever you want in here. This master bedroom should be able to fit any size bed set you would like to put in here. So large, open master bedroom. You house a pretty good sized closet, and the half bath is also located in this master bedroom. So master bedroom comes with its own half bath. Beautiful new tile flooring, again, fresh paint, brand new sink vanity, and brand new mirror vanity in this half bath. So the half bath has been completely redone as well. Gorgeous new look to it. Lastly, on this top floor, let's check out the full bath. Full bath as well has been completely redone. Brand new tile flooring, brand new tub and shower setup, and brand new sink vanity give this bathroom a completely renovated vibe to it. It's beautiful. I mean, everything has been completely redone in this bathroom, just like the kitchen space. Awesome. So again, completely redone bathroom, completely redone kitchen, completely renovated single family home here. All right, before we go, let's now check out the downstairs. The downstairs houses this large den room that's also been completely updated. Fresh paint and new vinyl wood flooring. So this space can just be used in a multitude of ways. You have tons of opportunity with this space. Honestly, could be used as another like hangout living room, potentially some kind of guest room. Obviously, if you want to use it as a guest bedroom, I think that could work as well. Wide open space, tons of opportunity, completely updated with new floors and fresh paint. Go ahead and give it another check from this side. Awesome. All right. Downstairs also houses a tool room and a separate laundry room with brand new washer and dryer available to tenants that move in. Brand new washer and dryer, just a nice little laundry room. All right. So, once again, this is 37 Sonny Drive here in Cumberland, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.